Getting your goat, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English idiom, doesn't get my goat. This phrase has a colorful history and a meaning that might surprise you. If you're curious about how to use it in everyday conversation, stay tuned. The phrase, doesn't get my goat, means that something does not annoy, irritate, or upset you. It's often used when someone wants to express that they remain unbothered by actions or words that might upset others. For example, if someone says, rude comments don't get my goat, they mean that rude comments do not upset them. The exact origin of getting my goat is a bit murky, but one popular theory links it to horse racing. It's said that goats were placed in the stables with racehorses to keep them calm. If someone wanted to sabotage a horse's chances of winning, they might steal the goat to unsettle the horse. Hence, getting someone's goat came to mean doing something that upsets or annoys them. Using doesn't get my goat is straightforward. It's typically used in negative constructions to talk about what does not bother someone. Here are a few examples. Traffic jams don't get my goat. I just listen to music and relax. Competitive people don't get my goat. I just do my own thing. Remember, it's a casual phrase, so it's best used in informal situations. While doesn't get my goat indicates resilience or indifference, saying, that really gets my goat, shows that something has indeed annoyed or upset you. It's versatile and can express a wide range of irritation, from mild annoyance to significant frustration. And that's all for today's lesson on the phrase, doesn't get my goat. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this idiom with confidence in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey full of discoveries. Keep exploring, and don't let any confusing phrases get your goat. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.